Ever wondered if that iconic BMW luxury comes with unbreakable safety? Strap in as we crash through every 5 Series generation's evolution, from risky roads to top-tier protection. If you're obsessed with car safety showdowns, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more adrenaline-fueled breakdowns. Starting with the 3rd-gen E34, this sleek sedan pioneered BMW's executive vibe with smooth inline-6 engines and agile handling. Crash tests back then were basic. NHTSA gave it 4 stars for frontal impacts, showing solid driver protection, but no side ratings existed yet, and IIHS didn't test it extensively, typical for the era with vulnerabilities in modern standards like small overlaps. Next, the 4th-gen E39 refined luxury with advanced tech and that legendary sporty drive. IIHS rated it good in moderate overlap frontal crashes, praising structure integrity, but side impacts were marginal without optional airbags. NHTSA awarded 4 stars overall, with 5 for frontal passenger but 3 for side, highlighting improvements over predecessors but room for better lateral protection. Then, the controversial 5th-gen E60 brought bold, crisp angle styling and iDrive innovation. IIHS gave good for moderate frontal overlap but marginal for side crashes initially, improving to acceptable after 2007 updates with better airbags. NHTSA's 4-star overall included 5 for frontal and 4 for side, proving enhanced occupant safety amid its dynamic performance. Enter the 6th-gen F10 blending efficiency with turbo power and wagon options. It aced NHTSA's revamped test with a perfect 5-star overall, first in its class for the stricter program, excelling in frontal, side, and rollover. IIHS named it Top Safety Pick, with good ratings across moderate overlap, side, and roof strength, showcasing BMW's leap in structural engineering. The 7th-gen G30 upped the ante with hybrid options and refined tech. NHTSA's 5-star sweep covered flawless frontal and side protection. IIHS awarded Top Safety Pick Plus with good in all crashworthiness tests, including small overlap front and updated side, plus superior front crash prevention, a true safety benchmark. Finally, the 8th Gen G60 fuses electric innovation with premium design. NHTSA maintains 5 stars overall, acing every category. IIHS grants top safety pick with good ratings in updated side, small overlap, and moderate front tests, emphasizing advanced materials and avoidance tech for ultimate modern defense. BMW's 5 Series journey from basic barriers to safety supremacy proves luxury can save lives. Which era shocked you? Subscribe now, like, and drop a comment for more crash epics.